Nothing feels better than an organized, clean kitchen. At least that's how I feel. So for this fall, I wanted to start off fall the right way and just kind of do a clean out, and I actually kind of want to do this for every season. It was just really weighing heavily on my mind more than anything. So I knew I had to do something just because I had a lot of cabinets and a lot of drawer systems that were messy. There were a lot of things that I probably wasn't even using, and it was just a mess. And yes, I do have a cabinet in my kitchen where I store DIY materials. It's just I don't have the space in my craft room, and it's just where these things ended up. And that is the first area that I'm working on because it was the messiest, and it's what honestly sparked me to clean the rest of my kitchen cabinets. I didn't do all of them because they didn't all need it, but I did the ones that were my main problem areas. So I basically took Dollar Tree baskets, and that is how I began the organization process. I removed everything out completely, wiped down the counter, or not the countertops, but the cabinets, and then I put my baskets in the directions that I wanted them, and then I started to go through the stuff. I didn't just put everything back in, I actually took the time to go through everything and sort out whether it was trash or donation, or if it was going to go back into the cabinet. And I was amazed at how much trash I ended up with and how gorgeous I thought that this DIY station actually turned out. So it just relieves my mind so much, and I did it with $5 worth of baskets. I don't know how many I put up, 5, 6, so cheap. Another big reason why I love Dollar Tree. Then I moved on to some drawer space throughout the kitchen, and I used one of these lower baskets to fit, and it fit pretty well in my size drawers. I will say that I really liked the idea of having a basket in there. It seems like just adding another thing into the drawer, but it really does keep everything contained so that all those things aren't flying around as you're opening and closing the drawers. So I really loved it, and I probably should have gone with the dark brown because the cream colored baskets that I'm showing you guys here actually come in dark brown. They come in black. I probably should have gone dark brown to match these cabinets, but I went with my gut and picked the cream colored ones because I like it. So yeah, anyways, that's basically it. It was pretty simple. I just again took everything out, put the basket in, and then put back what I knew I was still going to be using. And it's kind of funny because as I was editing through this video, I noticed so much of my kitchen products within the drawers were actually Dollar Tree as well. Things like some of those tools in there, and also oven mitts and pot holders and things like that. So that's basically what I'm going to do throughout some additional drawers here. Just a repeat. Take out, put the basket in, and then start organizing. I would highly recommend this process to you guys if you know that you've got some areas in your kitchen that needs to be organized, because I can't put into words what it feels like after I completed this task. So you'll know what I mean once you do this yourself. But it went from opening up cabinets and seeing chaos, and now to I know that it's organized and it's clean and it's beautiful, and I've gotten rid of things that I no longer need, so I know that my kitchen only has those things that I want. It's just such a feeling of relief and calm, and when I walk back into my kitchen, it just feels great. It feels like a weight has been lifted, and I would just really recommend you guys doing this process, and not just for your kitchen, but any room that you feel like needs this, whether it's a closet. It just really does so much for the soul, as silly as that may sound, and I did it using Dollar Tree products. Honestly, the amount of Dollar Tree stuff that I do, the free marketing that I give them, I really wish they would sponsor people. I don't know, maybe they do, but I don't know, maybe one day. But what I'm saying is I truly do love Dollar Tree products, and if you haven't seen my pantry organization using their baskets, definitely have to check that out. I'll link it down below. It's just, I love using things that are only $1. It's just so much nicer than walking into a Container Store and their baskets are super expensive. I definitely think there's a time and place to use beautiful products like that, but when it's going to be in your kitchen cabinets and it's closed, you can't really see it, I think it's absolutely fine to use Dollar Tree stuff. And I love how beautiful these baskets are. I mean, if I didn't know these were at Dollar Tree and someone showed it to me, I wouldn't think they were Dollar Tree. That's how beautiful I think they are. But that's it, you guys, for my video. I hope that you enjoyed this clean out, this reorganization, and hope that it inspires you guys. It felt so good to do this for fall, and I'll probably do this for Christmas as well. Oh, and one more thing, did you see how I used that dish rack for my dish towel dryer mat, or whatever they call those? Yeah, so that's what I ended up using that for. So that it can just kind of hold them like folders, and I thought that was a really cool way to reuse that dish rack. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.